Tesla's Autopark feature is part of the full self-driving FSD suite. It allows your Model 3 to automatically park in parallel and perpendicular spaces. As of late 2025, Autopark uses advanced neural networks for better performance with FSD supervised. Remember, Autopark requires active driver supervision and is not fully autonomous. To activate Autopark, first ensure you're driving slowly, under 25 miles per hour. Then, engage the feature through the touchscreen interface on your Model 3. Once activated, the system immediately begins scanning for suitable parking spots using the vehicle's cameras and ultrasonic sensors. For Autopark to function properly, your Model 3 needs at least 50% battery charge, must be in a well-lit area, and should be in a structured parking environment. When a suitable spot is detected, the car will emit a beep to confirm and indicate that Autopark is ready to proceed. Drive slowly past an empty parking spot you wish to use. The space needs to be approximately 6 to 7 feet longer than your Model 3. Once detected, the Autopark icon will appear on your touchscreen. Select Start and keep your hands lightly on the steering wheel, remaining ready to intervene. The car will then perform a reverse S-curve maneuver to park itself. Practice in open areas to familiarize yourself with the system. Approach the perpendicular parking spot head-on or at a slight angle. Autopark detects parking lines or nearby vehicles. Select Start and maintain supervision. The Model 3 will autonomously steer, accelerate, and brake to park, often using a forward-backward sequence to align correctly. Watch the dashcam feed for visual overlays indicating the intended path. While Autopark automates the parking process, active driver supervision remains essential for safety. Autopark operates as Level 2 automation, meaning the driver must stay engaged and ready to intervene at any moment. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel during Autopark operation. Tesla's full self-driving system includes alerts that notify you if your hands are detected as leaving the wheel, ensuring you remain in control. Autopark may automatically abort the parking maneuver if it detects unsafe conditions, such as obstacles, pedestrians, or low confidence in the system's ability to park safely. According to NHTSA data from 2025, this safety feature has prevented incidents while maintaining a high success rate. Continuous monitoring of the surroundings and the vehicle's behavior is essential. Even with advanced sensors and AI, unexpected situations can occur, and the driver must be prepared to take over immediately to ensure safe operation. Autopark performs exceptionally well in most scenarios, but like any advanced technology, it has certain limitations and potential issues that drivers should be aware of. One common challenge is tight spaces. Autopark may struggle in extremely narrow parking spots or multi-level structures where maneuvering room is limited. Uneven terrain, such as bumpy roads or sloped surfaces, can affect the system's performance. The car may require more driver intervention in these conditions. Dynamic obstacles like pedestrians, cyclists, or moving vehicles can pose challenges. Autopark will typically pause or abort if it detects potential conflicts. Sensor occlusion occurs when cameras or sensors are blocked by rain, mud, or other obstructions. This can temporarily reduce Autopark's effectiveness. Despite these limitations, Autopark achieves high success rates of around 95 to 97% in optimal conditions, such as well-lit, structured parking areas with adequate space. Be aware of these limitations and always be prepared to take manual control if Autopark encounters difficulties or disengages. When troubleshooting Autopark on your Tesla Model 3, start by understanding the system's sensors and how they interact with your environment. If Autopark fails to initiate, reposition your vehicle and re-engage the feature. Ensure the parking spot meets the size requirements for parallel, 6 to 7 feet longer, or perpendicular, 9 to 10 feet wide, parking. If the system aborts during a maneuver, assess the situation carefully and take over manually. Check Tesla's in-car tutorial within the Help menu for animated guides and assistance. Software updates can improve Autopark's reliability and add new features. Remember, Autopark is a driver assistance feature that requires your attention. Always prioritize safety and manual control when troubleshooting issues. Tesla aims for Autopark anywhere in the future, enabling off-street parking. Trends indicate broader adoption of automated parking features with integration into smart city infrastructure. Autopark saves time and reduces stress, particularly in urban areas. However, always prioritize safety and maintain active supervision. Continuous software improvements and real-world data enhance Autopark's capabilities over time. In summary, Tesla's Autopark is evolving towards comprehensive automated parking solutions. While offering significant convenience, it requires responsible use to ensure safety. The future holds exciting possibilities as technology advances.